there, automotive enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of automotive diagnostics with a game-changing tool, the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro Bi-directional scan tool. Buckle up, because we're about to explore how this device is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and troubleshoot vehicles. Let's roll! If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, the ArtiDiag Pro feels like a premium tool. It's got a rugged build, a bright touchscreen, and a surprisingly intuitive interface. Even a novice mechanic like me felt comfortable navigating the menus. Setting up the software was a breeze thanks to clear instructions and helpful on-screen prompts. Now let's talk about some key features of TOPDON ArtiDiag. Bidirectional control. With bidirectional control, the ArtiDiag Pro allows you to take control of various vehicle systems, test components, activate functions, and streamline your troubleshooting process with ease. It's like having the pulse of your vehicle at your fingertips. Wide vehicle coverage. Whether you're working on a domestic or imported vehicle, the ArtiDiag Pro has you covered. With an extensive database of supported makes and models, this tool is your go-to solution for comprehensive diagnostics. Supports over 100 car makes and models, including Asian, European, and American vehicles, with 10 languages supported. Advanced diagnostics. Get ready to dig deep into the heart of your vehicle's systems. The ArtiDiag Pro provides advanced diagnostics, giving you detailed insights into engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more. Knowledge is power, and this tool puts the power in your hands. Wireless connectivity. Cut the cords. The ArtiDiag Pro offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to connect it to your smartphone or tablet. Access real-time data, perform tests, and view results without being tied down. True freedom for the modern mechanic. OL-level full systems diagnosis. Access and diagnose over 100 systems across a vast range of makes and models, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, TPMs, and more. 31 maintenance service functions. Perform essential resets and relearns, such as oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, and battery registration. ECU coding. Customize vehicle settings and adapt new components to unlock hidden features or enhance performance. AutoVan. Effortlessly identify your vehicle's information for accurate diagnostics and repair. Comparative data display. View up to 4 data streams simultaneously to compare readings and pinpoint problems quickly. 2-year free update. Stay up to date with the latest software and vehicle coverage for extended value. But it's not just about features. It's also about usability. The ArtiDiag Pro boasts a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. 1-inch touchscreen tablet with a clear and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, you'll feel right at home. Here are some pros and cons about TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro. Pros: comprehensive vehicle coverage, OL-level diagnostics, user-friendly interface, Wi-Fi updates, sturdy build quality, 31+ maintenance services, 2-year free updates. Cons: price. The ArtiDiag Pro is more expensive than some other OBD scanners on the market. Learning curve. The wide range of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Limited subscription options. The 2-year free update period is followed by a subscription fee for continued updates. In conclusion, the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro bidirectional scan tool is a cutting-edge solution for anyone serious about automotive diagnostics. Its impressive features, extensive vehicle coverage, and user-friendly design make it a standout in the market. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WeeklyTools, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive tech reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.